What's up, guys? I'm Rasim from Rasim and this is another tutorial in Objective-C programming. Now in this class I'm going to show you guys how to use assignment operators. So let's get started. So let's first declare a variable with an integer data type. So I'm going to type an int, hit space. Let's call our variable red, and let's give our variable red a value of 5, right? And then a semicolon. So let's say we wanted to type in something like this: red equals red plus 1, and then with a semicolon. So what we're saying is our variable red is going to store the value of itself plus 1, right? So red has a value of 5. So 5 plus 1, it's going to get stored in red again. So let's print this out on the screen. Let's see what happens. So we're going to use the NS log. So capital N, S, L, lowercase o, lowercase g, space, open and close parentheses, and then with a semicolon. We're going to type in capital. We're going to type in @ symbol, a set of double quotes, 2 double quotes, right? Inside the set of double quote, we're going to type in our placeholder for our integer data type, which is %i, right? Outside this double quote here, the last double quote, we're going to type in comma, hit space, then we're going to type in the variable that we want to pass through. So we're going to type in red. Now it's going to print out the value of red on the screen. So let's see what happens. I'm going to hit play here. All right, I got an error because right here, %i, I use a capital I. It should be a lowercase I. So let's hit play again. It'll succeed because it printed out 6 down here, as you can see. So up here, when we declared our variable red, we gave it a value of 5, right? So we said our variable red is going to store the value of itself plus 1. Now there's an easier way to write this, a simpler way to write this, and programmers came up with something called assignment operators. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's just delete this here first. So we could type in a red space plus symbol equal symbol space 1 and then with a semicolon, right? So this is the simpler, smaller version of what we just typed in before. So let's hit play, see what happens. Build succeeded, and it printed out 6 again. Now, this is the plus version. This is the addition. So let's say we wanted to multiply instead of add. We could add this aspirin, right? The star symbol here, and now we're multiplying instead of adding. So we're saying red is going to store the value of red times itself plus 1, right? So let's see what happens. Let's hit play here. Build succeeded, and it's 5. So up here, again, red has a value of 5. So we're saying red is going to store the value of itself, which has a value of 5 times 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. So that's why we got this down here. Now we can do the same thing. Let's say we wanted to subtract. We can use this minus symbol here. So we can say minus symbol, equal symbol, and it'll subtract. So let's hit play. It succeeded, and it gave us an answer of 4 down here. So right down here, it stores the value of itself, which has a value of 5, take away 1. So 5 take away 1 equals 4, and that's how we got this answer of 4 down here. Now, let's say we wanted to divide. We can get rid of this minus symbol here, and we could add this /. So now it's going to divide. So let's hit play. Build succeeded, and it divided. Again, our variable red up here starts out with a value of 5. Our red down here is going to store the value of itself divided by 1. So 5 divided by 1 is still 5. So that's why we got the answer of 5 down here. So that's pretty cool, right? Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you guys liked this video, please give me a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Rasim from RasimRedTech.com, and thanks for watching.